Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn how to draw and color a pair of red lips with a lipstick tube. First we use black color for the outlines. Draw a big rectangle for the lipstick tube. This is the main body. A short rectangle for the cap section. Then we draw lipstick. Very good. Draw a curved line for the lips shape. Draw a wider soft curve for the bottom lip. Like this. Very good. Your drawing is ready. Time to color. Use brown color for the lipstick tube. Very good. It is fun and easy drawing. Try to stay inside the lines. Use brown color for the cap section. Very good. Now we use red color for a pair of lips. Like this. Carefully fill in the entire area of the lips. Try to stay inside the lines. Very good. Color in the same direction. Great job. Then we use red color for the lipstick. And there you have it. A beautiful drawing of the red lips and lipstick is ready. Allah Hafiz.